Hello and welcome to this session of Practical Accounts. Recording cash sales. This is a transaction where products were sold and cash was received at the time of the transaction. Now, this is not an invoice but a receipt since cash was received. Now, this document is to illustrate this kind of transaction. By filing, this document is normally found on the income and receipts file. Let's drag this one out of the way. Drag it up there. Now we continue with our recording. A quick overview of the recording process. We click the Accounting tab, select the Income menu, select the Income Received From, select the VAT rate, select the Receiving Account, select the Income Account, type the gross amount, narration, document number, date, and the month. So let's get started. Click Accounting, Income, Income Received. The form comes up. Now, when this form comes up, it comes with only 2 rows. It assumes it's a T9 or T2 transaction. So in order to get more rows for recording the VAT amounts, we select the appropriate VAT rate. According to the document, this is a standard rated transaction at 20% VAT. Click the drop down, select 20%. Now you realize that we get some 2 more rows for recording the amounts. Let's drag this to the bottom here. Drag it down here. Now, the first requirement is the account that received the money, which is the cash account. Click the drop down, select cash, click tab, income account. By coincidence, sales account is the very first account in the chart of accounts and it is pre-selected. Click tab into the amounts box. The amount required is the VAT inclusive figure of 4224. Type 4224. Take note that as we type that, the net amount of 3520 and the VAT amounts of 704 are auto-generated to save time. Click tab, narration. Cash sales is fine. Cash sales. Click tab, document number. It is number 6. Click tab to the date. Date is 13th November. 13/11/15. Click tab. Now, according to our demo business, November was the first month of the financial year, therefore we type 01. 01, click tab. Now, since we don't intend to modify these narrations below here, we just need to click insert. And as we click insert, we see that the transaction pasted up there. There we are. And it is all pasted up there. We click OK and the form closes. So this is our transaction. Let's drag this out of the way. We have 4 entries. We've got the date, the month, the quarter, narration, document number, transaction number, gross amount, which is to be debited to the cash account, net amount 3520 credited to the sales account, VAT amount 704 credited to the sales VAT account. Now you realize that these 2 transactions have got VL in this column, meaning that they will be posted to the VAT ledger. Now these 3 transactions have got GL in this column, which means they will be posted to the general ledger and they constitute the double entry. Now in this column we've got the notes, which help to identify transactions and values to be summed up when the system is preparing values for the notes to the profit and loss account and the balance sheet, both periodically and annually. The next task is to update our reports. Ctrl-Alt F5 on the keyboard. There we are. When it's done, we can go ahead to check the reports. Click Accounting, Periodic Reports, General Ledger. This is our posting to the general ledger. 3520 sales account, 4224 cash account, 704 sales VAT account. Quick confirmation on the trial balance. Periodic reports, trial balance. There we are. We made a single transaction with 3 entries in the general ledger, and we have 3 balances here on the respective accounts. We got a 0 difference at the bottom to confirm that double entry is perfect. And that's about it. Now let's go back to our double entry page. There we are. This is the source document. This is the recording. And that's about it. Now, this document is available for practice in the pack that you received for our demo business ABC Hotel. It's document number 6 among the income and receipts documents. Please try out this procedure. And that's the end. See you at the next tab.